Remember his name is Stuart? Isn't his name Stuart?
Stewie. There's a one for
What is this thing here? What is that?
a choo-choo train.
That's a choo-choo, but what's his name?
Thomas.
His name is Thomas?
One, two, three. No, that in my pocket.
Yeah, you put that in your pocket.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll save it so we don't have to get another one.
Yeah. Just leave it in your pocket. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I like that umbrella. Is that pretty neat?
Yeah.
That didn't last long.
Here.
Well, let's see if we can figure it out.
Where'd you get it? Huh?
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
It's an owl.
Yeah.
Maybe. Does it? Where's the banana?
What's his name?
It's Gogo the rat. It's Gogo the owl. I have a present for me.
Oh, thank you. You want to put that in the trash or you want to keep it?
Amazing owl.
It's an amazing owl.
It's what?
It's an amazing owl.
The Amazing Owl. Okay. It's like, kind of like Amazing Jonathan, huh?
We're touching because he's got a stinger.
He's gonna sting me.
Yeah.
Dang me, huh? The
Not if
bee.
you don't get close. You scare him. That's when he gets scared.
And then he'll
Stings you.
sting you. So we stay away from the bee, okay? But what does the bee sound? What does it sound like?
It sounds like